sea. This way and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go. You'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. Ebb wondered where the swallows had been all this time. Look, Flo, it's spring. The swallows are back. Coming, Flo? Wherever Flo was going, Ebb was going too. And wherever Ebb was going, Bird was going too. Sorry, Ebb, not this time. Here, this will keep you busy. And Bird will keep you company. What if Flo and Ma were getting Ebb a treat from the shop? What if she went to meet them? Hello, Ebb. Looking for Flo? Oh, you've just missed her. She was here a few minutes ago. Oh, wait till I tell Flo what you've been up to. Flo was back, so where was the treat? No, Ebb, it's not good for you. Ebb didn't agree. Where have you put your bone? Where was the pot? And where was the bone? Oh, Ebb! Found it yet, Ebb? Someone had stolen Ebb's bone. Ebb had to find her bone, but how? Now she had no footprints to track and no scent to follow either. Ebb thought her bone was lost forever. Things couldn't be worse. What was that nice familiar smell? Ebb couldn't quite place it, but it seemed to be getting stronger and stronger. Of course, it was Flo. But was it Ebb's flower pot? And if so, where was Ebb's bone? I know what you're looking for, Ebb. As it's springtime, I planted something for you too. Ebb's bone hadn't been stolen at all. Things couldn't be better.